Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to another super fun adventure in coding. Today we're going to learn something amazing. How to build sequences using simple coding blocks. Doesn't that sound exciting? We'll use a super fun app called ScratchJr. If you don't have it yet, ask a grown-up to help you download ScratchJr on a tablet or phone. It's free and perfect for you little coding stars to get started. You can find the download link for ScratchJr right below in the video description. So make sure to check it out and follow along. Are you ready? Let's jump in and start coding together. Now, let's talk about coding blocks. These are like little puzzle pieces that tell your character what to do. You'll see blocks like move forward, turn left, jump, or even make a sound. Isn't that fun? When you put these blocks in the right order, something awesome happens. You can direct characters like cute animals or people to move around and complete tasks. That's called a sequence. Alright, coding stars! Let's dive in and build our first sequence in ScratchJr. Here's what we'll do. Open the ScratchJr app. Look at the characters. Aren't they adorable? You can choose one to work with, like the one I've selected. Now, let's add some coding blocks. Start with a blue motion block to move the character forward. Then, add a turn block to make Scratch turn. Add one more block to make Scratch jump. Tap the green flag to see what happens. Wow, look at that! Scratch followed the sequence we built. You just created your very first program. Sequences are super important in coding. When you tell a computer what to do, it follows your instructions step by step. Just like you follow steps to build a tower with blocks or brush your teeth. When you get the order right, your task is complete. But if the blocks are out of order, Scratch might do something silly like jumping before moving. So always check your sequence. Now it's your turn, coding stars. Open ScratchJr, pick a character, and build a sequence to help them move, turn, and jump. Try making Scratch move forward and then turn left. How cool is that? Great job today, coding stars! You've learned how to build sequences with coding blocks and direct your characters to complete fun tasks. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Tell me what fun sequences you created today. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new coding adventures. See you next time for more coding magic. Bye-bye, coding stars. Keep shining bright.